Hey, ever notice the different beliefs the rich and the poor hold about money and success? While the rich seek lucrative ideas for wealth, the poor often pursue higher paychecks or job security. Join me in this video as I show you the 10 money rules the rich know that the poor may not be aware of. Stick around to the end, it's bound to reshape your mindset about money. Number 10. The rich don't work for money. According to Japanese-American businessman Robert Kiyosaki, the rich don't work for money. It's amongst his 6 lessons for success mentioned in his best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The wealthy don't work solely for money. Instead, they make money work for them. This is something you need to master before you can become rich. Recognizing the limitations of trading time for income, the rich focus on building assets and investments that generate passive revenue streams. By creating businesses, they establish financial independence. This strategic approach allows the affluent to break free from the traditional work for pay cycle, empowering them to accumulate wealth, secure financial freedom, and pursue endeavors aligned with their passions and interests. Instead of putting in hours working for money, you should invest those hours in financial education and look for ways to increase your asset column. Number 9. Investing early. Investing early is a golden rule among the wealthy because it's like planting a money tree while others are still gathering seeds. Picture this. Time is your ally in the financial growth game. The rich understand that the earlier you start investing, the longer your money has to compound and multiply. It's not about having a fortune to begin with. It's about letting your money work and grow over the years. It's like giving your dollars a head start in a marathon of wealth building. Early investments act as financial seeds that sprout into substantial trees, shading you with the fruits of compounded returns when you need it the most. It's not just about making money. It's about letting time be your financial ally, turning small investments into substantial wealth through the magic of compounding. Number 8. Taking risks. Rich people play the risk game like seasoned poker pros because they know that fortune favors the bold. Imagine life as a grand casino, and risk is the currency of opportunity. While others might play it safe, the wealthy embrace calculated risks like high-stakes players at the table. It's not about recklessness. It's about making informed bets in the game of wealth accumulation. These risk takers understand that without stepping out of the comfort zone, the jackpot of success remains elusive. It's akin to navigating uncharted waters. Turbulent, yes, but that's where the hidden treasures lie. The rich aren't afraid to roll the dice because they recognize that in the grand casino of life, strategic risk-taking is the key to hitting the financial jackpot. Number 7. Multiple income streams. Having multiple income streams is the rich person's secret sauce, and here's why. It's like having a diversified financial buffet instead of relying on a single dish. Imagine if your financial feast depended on just one source. A shaky table indeed. The wealthy get this, so they set up various tables with income dishes from investments, businesses, and side gigs. If one dish isn't serving well, no worries. The others keep the feast going. It's not just about piling up money. It's about creating a financial safety net that can weather economic storms. Think of it as building a money umbrella. When it rains financial challenges, you're covered. Multiple income streams aren't just a strategy, they're a dynamic financial symphony playing the melody of stability and prosperity. Number 6. Educate yourself. Imagine life as a complex board game where each move involves money. Now, the rich aren't just players, they're masters of the game, because they've invested time in learning the rules. Financial education, for them, is like having a cheat code to navigate the intricate board. It's not just about decoding jargon, it's understanding the strategy, the hidden passages, and the potential pitfalls. Think of it as getting a backstage pass to a financial concert. While the others might enjoy the show, the financially educated are backstage, understanding the rhythm and anticipating the beats. It's not about balancing budgets, it's about orchestrating a symphony of investments, tax maneuvers, and risk management. Financial education is the compass guiding them through the economic wilderness. It transforms money from a mysterious force into a predictable ally. The rich know that the more they understand, the better equipped they are to leverage opportunities and navigate challenges. It's not a one-time lesson. It's a continuous exploration, an evolving playbook in a world where financial storms are as unpredictable as they are inevitable. For the wealthy, financial education isn't just a rule, it's the key to unlocking doors in the vast mansion of wealth. Number 5. Live below your means. Living below their means is the rich person's secret sauce. It's like having a financial safety net woven from threads of frugality. Imagine money as a resource, and living below your means is the art of preserving and growing that resource. The wealthy understand that it's not about showcasing luxuriousness. It's about strategic spending. It's like having a money buffer that can weather storms, providing stability when economic winds blow strong. While others may chase the fleeting high of lavish lifestyles, the rich opt for lasting financial security. Living below their means isn't a sacrifice, it's a strategic move, allowing them to channel resources into investments that bear fruit over time. It's the difference between being a flashy sparkler and a slow-burning, enduring flame of financial success. In the grand financial theater, the rich master the art of understatement, ensuring that their financial story is one of resilience and longevity, rather than monetary extravagance. Number 4. Strategic debt management. Strategic debt management is the rich person's financial chess move. It's about playing the game with calculated finesse. Picture debt as a tool, and the wealthy are craftsmen using it to sculpt financial success. It's not about drowning in liabilities, it's about leveraging borrowed resources for lucrative investments. Like skilled architects, the rich build wealth by strategically employing debt for ventures that promise returns surpassing borrowing costs. They understand that not all debts are created equal. Some propel them forward, while others become burdensome anchors. It's akin to sailing the financial seas, adjusting sails to harness the winds of opportunity without capsizing. For the affluent, strategic debt management isn't a gamble. It's a well-thought-out strategy, a financial alchemy turning borrowed capital into wealth. It's not about avoiding debt altogether. It's about using it judiciously to construct a sturdy financial foundation, ensuring that every borrowed dollar contributes to the grand design of enduring prosperity. Number 3. Focusing on assets, not liabilities. The rich play financial chess, and in their game, assets are the kings and queens. Think of it as a dynamic balancing act on a monetary tightrope. They focus on accumulating appreciating assets rather than liabilities that drain resources. It's not about flashy possessions. It's about building a robust financial portfolio. While liabilities might be flashy dancers on the financial stage, assets are the conductors of a wealthy orchestra. The wealthy understand that assets grow and generate returns, laying the foundation for lasting prosperity. It's like planting a garden. They nurture assets that bear fruit season after season, while steering clear of liabilities that act as weeds, threatening to choke financial growth. The rule is clear. In the rich person's financial playbook, assets take center stage, orchestrating a symphony of wealth that echoes through generations. It's not just about acquiring. It's about ensuring that every financial move contributes to the grand point of enduring success. Number 2. network, and relationships. Networking for the rich is more than just business cards and handshakes. It's the secret sauce of success. Imagine life as a vast, intricate puzzle, and relationships are the missing pieces. The wealthy understand that forging connections opens doors to opportunities, insights, and collaborations. It's not about what you know, but who you know. Their network is a treasure trove where each contact is a potential ally, mentor, or business partner. In the grand symphony of success, relationships play the harmonious notes that propel the wealthy forward. Whether it's a chance conversation or a strategic partnership, the rich know that in the intricate dance of prosperity, connections are the elegant waltz steps leading to lasting success. Number 1, long-term vision. The rich play the long game because, in the financial marathon of life, short sprints don't secure lasting victory. It's like building a mansion. The foundation may take time, but it ensures the structure's endurance. While others chase quick wins, the wealthy set their sights on distant horizons, plotting a course that transcends immediate gratification. Long-term vision isn't just a telescope into the future. It's a compass guiding decisions today for wealth that withstands the test of time. Like skilled chess players, the rich anticipate moves not just in the next round, but several rounds ahead. It's not about immediate gains. It's the art of patiently planting seeds, knowing that the harvest will be bountiful in the seasons to come. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. I'll see you in the next one.